perspectives, or one of the analysis of why he proceeded with this quote-unquote war on drugs, was that first, he used this as a populist mechanism. In the Philippines, law and order is one of the main issues or main concerns of the Filipinos. And by latching on to this topic and offering a grand solution, really elevated him in the eyes of the people as someone who could do something about one peculiar nagging issue in Philippine culture, Philippine society. But another perspective would be that he launched this quote-unquote war on drugs as a foil to his own participation and protection of a Chinese drug mafia, or a Chinese drug group headed by Michael Yang, who he formally installed as an economic advisor. And so from that perspective, the war on drugs would be a sham. From another perspective, and this is from the people's perspective on the ground, he said that this will be a war on drugs. But what happened were widespread abuses and rights violations. For the people, actually, this wasn't a war because the other side wasn't prepared or capable enough to fight back. This was a massacre, and this wasn't against drugs, but against the poor. For many, this kind of populist tactic would appear to be well used, because it would strike fear in people's minds, in people's hearts, and make sure that they would follow or fear and love the president. So this Machiavellian technique has been utilized quite widely by many politicians. And for Duterte, who has been seen to be a performative politician, clearly this Machiavellian tactic has worked. For me, yes, because we have brought forth charges of crimes against humanity against Duterte, then he would be a criminal of the highest order. His entire process or intention to quote eliminate drugs has resulted in the elimination of people, and this would make him not only under the premise of command responsibility, but under the premise of indirect co-perpetrator of a massive attack on civilians in the Philippines.